Jina naitwa Luqman Ahmed, Cecm for Health and acting Cecm for Youth, Education, Sports, Culture, Gender and Social Services in Isiolo County. So leo tuko hapa kusherekea International Youth Day ambayo imeweza kuorganiziwa through the efforts of Activista, an organization based here in Isiolo. Na leo tumeweza kuadhimisha siku ambayo inahusiana na vijana. Different context, common aspirations. The theme fits what we are experiencing here as a county kwa sababu sisi kama Isiolo County tuko very diversified in terms of the geography, in terms of ethnic diversification na pia religious diversification. So lakini haya yote haimaanishi ya kwamba aspirations yetu kama vijana wa hii county si moja. Aspiration is the same. Employment opportunities, better health, better opportunities, conducive environment for everybody so that we ensure that our youth in Isiolo thrive. So special appreciation to Activista as an organization for organizing this event today. We as the county government of Isiolo, led by His Excellency the Governor Abdi Ibrahim Hassan, we've placed the youth agenda at the forefront of his manifesto. And this is visible across the county. One, the latest employments that we have, right from the highest level at the executive level to the lowest level as a county, through the instructions of His Excellency the Governor, we've employed quite a number of young people. And this is a reality on the ground, that those are facts. And the reason why we focus on employment is because Isiolo as a county, we do not have an industrial base to capitalize on. And therefore, as we work on the long-term projects of ensuring that we have factories, that we have industries where young people can be employed, and we address those fundamental challenges that we are having, the low-hanging fruits was the issues of unemployment. And by providing opportunities for young people in this county, so that the voice of young people is reflected at the policy level as well as the implementation level. So we have quite youthful CECs, chief officers, directors, assistant directors, deputy directors, all the way down to the lowest cadres within the county government. And we do not take this for granted because this means that we've been given an opportunity to influence and have an impact on the lives of young people here in Isiolo. So the ball is in our court. We need to work hand in glove with our fellow youths, the youths of Isiolo, to ensure that we provide the necessary platform for them to thrive in whatever it is that they desire to focus on. Secondly, as a county, we've invested quite heavily in the TVETs institution. We've employed new instructors. We need young people to acquire skills that are quite relevant in this time and age. So we urge our young people, and we also urge the organizations, including Activista, to really push out this message. We need young people to register for these TVET institutions. They are here, they are based in Isiolo, so you do not have to travel outside Isiolo to acquire those services. Most of our TVET institutions are not to full capacity. So we are not capitalizing on the equipment, we are not capitalizing on the investment that have been made in the TVET institution. We've employed new instructors to help young people to acquire those skills. So we urge them to really engage themselves there. Thirdly, on the issue of the youth policy, I'm quite aware that there's been stagnation for quite a number of years. But what I want to assure you as the acting CEC for this department, we will ensure that we push to see the actualization of that youth policy before the next general election. So as part of our action plans, we will engage Activista because they've been heavily involved in pushing this agenda. They already have a draft policy in place. So as a county, we will be able to support them and provide all the technical support as well as the resources that is required in partnership with organizations in this county to ensure that the youth policy is actualized and we have regulations and we have the policy in place to advance the youth agenda in this county. Yeah, so we've also we finalized on the disability policy, because we know a number of our young people who are disabled, differently abled, are also facing some challenges in acquiring opportunities in this county, and therefore that policy is going to really help us to provide the necessary resources as well as the necessary plan to support our differently abled young people in this county.